Auto-tilting mirrors, love them or hate them? I personally hate them. It makes seeing and reversing my vehicle so hard, especially if you are someone who actually uses your mirrors, like me. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn it off because it just may not work for you. Let's take a closer look at our door handle. You can see we're in P for park. Charlotte's going to tip the car over into reverse, and you can see our mirror is going to tilt downwards. Now, it's not too dramatic on the EV9, but if you're driving something like a sedan, it may put it in a position where you can't see at all. All right, we're now going to tip it back into drive, and you'll see your mirror revert. Now, to make it stop doing this, we're going to take a look at our mirror controls. So as you can see, there's left and right. Right now, it is tipped more so over to the right side. You can also tip it over to the left if that was the last thing you were adjusting. But if you want to make it that your mirror doesn't tip or tilt at all, you're going to put it flush. So now it's not facing either side. Now, we're going to have Charlotte tip it into reverse again. And there is no more movement from our side view mirrors. Check that out. One more time, Charlotte. Can you put into drive? And then back into reverse. Nothing at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm hoping this quick video helped out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more Kia and Hyundai classes.